If you are looking for a reliable water filter, consider the PUREPLUS Samsung Fridge Filter 3PK. It's like a tiny guardian for your water. This filter removes many bad things. For instance, it tackles lead and chlorine. It also handles cysts and other impurities. You can taste the difference. The water tastes so much cleaner. Furthermore, it meets high standards. It is NSF 53 and 42 certified. This means it has been tested thoroughly. It works with many Samsung models. These include DA29-00003B and DA29-00003A. It also fits HAFCU1 and RFG297AARS. So, checking your model is important. This PUREPLUS Samsung Fridge Filter 3PK helps keep your family healthy. It's a smart choice for better water. The installation is straightforward. You won't need special tools. Simply twist the old filter out. Then, twist the new one in. It truly is that easy. Within minutes, you're done. The filter lasts for a good while. Each filter provides clean water for up to 6 months. Or, it handles 300 gallons. Therefore, this 3-pack offers long-lasting peace of mind. It's like having a continuous spring of fresh water. Changing it regularly is key. This maintains optimal performance. Otherwise, impurities might sneak through. So, replacing it on time is crucial. The PUREPLUS Samsung Fridge Filter 3PK truly delivers on its promise. Overall, this PUREPLUS Samsung Fridge Filter 3PK is an excellent value. It offers superior filtration. Plus, it's easy to install. And it provides clean, great tasting water. It removes those hidden nasties. Your drinks will taste better. Even your ice will improve. Moreover, it fits perfectly. This means no leaks or worries. Furthermore, it is a budget-friendly option. It is a smart investment. You are investing in your health. So, don't compromise on water quality. This filter is a solid choice. It's a small change with a big impact. Pros: great OEM replacement filter, great price, water tastes good again, ice is clear, installs easily, works just like the original, availability is excellent, fit perfectly, replacements fit, works great, reasonably priced, saving money features. NSF 53 and 42 certified. Replaces Samsung DA29-00003B. Aqua Pure Plus compatible 3-pack 4. Value: refrigerator water filter, easy to install, reduces contaminants, improves water taste. Long-lasting performance: PUREPLUS brand. The PUREPLUS DA29-00003G water filter is a great replacement for several Samsung refrigerator models, including those that use the DA29-00003B filter. These filters are certified by NSF 53 and 42, which means they meet high standards for reducing common contaminants and improving the taste of your water. This 3-pack offers good value, and the filters are easy to install, providing long-lasting clean and clear water for your refrigerator. The PUREPLUS DA29-00003G water filter is a great and affordable replacement for Samsung refrigerators. It's easy to install and fits perfectly, just like the original filter. Users report that their water tastes good again, and their ice is clear. Plus, it's readily available, helping you save money.